Are you planning to start a poultry or pig farming? Are you wondering which of these is more profitable or better? You need to watch this video to the end to get answers to your questions. In this video, I will use 5 parameters to differentiate between poultry farming and pig farming. Hello friends, my name is Priscilla. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Priscilla Business Solutions. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, equally press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video weekly. Leave us a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. The first parameter is stocking. In poultry, stocking parent birds is only obtainable in hatcheries. So most poultry farmers stock and restock every season. Like they stock, they brood, sell at the end of the season and restock again. While in piggery, most pig farmers, if not all, stock parent stock once and subsequently breed and brood and subsequently breed new offspring from the parent stock. So you can't say a pig farmer stocking every 2, 3 or 4 or 6 months or 1 year. A pig farmer can restock if there is a problem in his or her farm or if there is need for crossbreed. The second parameter is feeding. In poultry, a bird feeds on 0.1 to 0.12 kg or 125 grams of feed daily. And the Nigerian market, 1 kg of poultry feed is roughly 250 naira as of February 2021. Meaning that a poultry farmer spends 30 or 40 naira feeding a bird daily. While in pig farming, an average pig feeds on 2 kg. An average pig feeds on 2 kg of feed daily, and a kg of pig feed is roughly 60 naira. That means that a pig farmer spends roughly 120 feeding a pig on a daily basis. Let's equally consider the feed conversion rate. For birds, especially broilers, the FCG is 1.6 to 1 kg. That means a bird feeds on 1.6 kg of feed to add 1 kg of body weight. Once they feed on 1.6 kg of feed, they gain 1 kg of body weight. While in pigs, there is for an exotic pig, a foreign pig, or a good pig, the conversion rate is 3 to 1 FCG, meaning that a pig feeds on 3 kg of feed to add 1 kg of body weight. So let's go further with this calculation. If a bird's poultry feed is 1 kg is equals to 230, and a bird feed on 1.6 kg to gain 1 kg weight, that means for a bird to get 1 kg weight, you will spend roughly 230 times 1.6, which will give you 368 naira, roughly maybe 400 naira. So for your bird to get 1 kg weight, you as a poultry farmer, you are spending 400 naira feeding your birds. Feeding one bird to gain 1 kg weight. Let's come down to pig feed. A pig feed, 1 kg is equals to 60 naira. So for a pig to gain 1 kg weight, they must feed on 3 kg of feed, which is 3 times 60 naira, which is roughly 180. A poultry farmer spends 400 naira for his bird to add 1 kg, while a pig farmer spends 200 naira for his pigs to add 1 kg. Let me stop the calculation here. I will discuss intensively about poultry, pig farming, fish farming, and other form of livestock and even crop farming in my subsequent videos. So please subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I upload a new video, and equally give us a thumbs up. Third parameter is management and location. You can locate a poultry farm in a residential area at the back of your house, in your backyard, but you barely and almost impossible to rear pigs in commercial quantities in a residential area. You can say that in most developing countries, because I know some developed countries have the machineries to do otherwise. Managing a pig farming can be technical, but not as technical as a poultry farm. Poultry farm demands all the attention and carefulness and skills that are necessary. A pig is a rugged animal. It can last and it can have a problem and probably survive and pull through. But a bird, once there is a problem, even before you detect the problem, they're already gone. It's almost late to do anything. You have already lost some cash. But for pigs, they barely get critical. They barely. I know that pig farming can be technical, but once you know the techniques, once you follow the procedures, you are good to go. Also, pigs are rugged and strong livestock. They can survive through harsh climatic change. They even thrive better in cold climates, unlike other animals.
In handling a poultry is easier than piggery. Like a person can handle 1,000 birds or more, but one person handling 200 pigs can be stressful. Pigs are bulky to handle than birds. Also, in reaching maturity stage of birds are faster. A bird can reach table size at 2, 3 or 4 months, while pigs take 6, 7 or more 8 months to be sold for meat. Pigs equally can be sold at any stage, as piglets of 1 month, or weaners of 2 or 3 months, or as growers of 4 or 5 months, or as porkers of 6, 7, 8 months. So birds can be sold at any stage. The same applies to pigs. They can be sold at any stage. But for meat consumption, so if a poultry farmer is rearing birds for meat, at the end of 2 or 3 months or 4 months, he have sold out and restocked for the next season. While a pig farmer that wants to sell as porkers for meat will wait till 6, 7 or 8 months. So a pig farmer might be still in 1 season, while the poultry farmer will run 2 seasons.
The first parameter is mortality. Pigs, like I stated earlier, are rugged and strong animals, so they can survive from any illness and bounce back, unlike birds. Most times, before you discover what the problem is, you have already lost money in poultry farming. The fifth parameter is marketing. Marketing birds is easier, as there is no much religious or cultural hindrances to chicken than unlike pork meat. For example, you can rear and market and sell your birds easily in the northern part of Nigeria, but that might not be so for pork meat, and equally for some cultural and religious people, they might not like pork meat. Though in places like the south, like Delta State, like Rivers State, and most developed countries, the most consumed meat is pork meat. So there is always market for pork meat too. If you got values from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you.